Protecting your face is an important part of maintaining healthy skin. Protecting it from environmental aggressors such as the sun, pollution, bacteria, and chemicals. Without proper care, your skin can age prematurely, develop acne, or have problems such as dark spots and dryness. In this video, we will give you instructions on how to make natural face masks to help cleanse your skin, remove dead skin cells, and provide nutrients for softer skin. Please watch the video until the end. Now, let's get started. 1. Sugar and oatmeal mixed. Instead of using expensive chemical products, why not try a simple, safe, and natural method at home? I will share with you how to exfoliate with sugar and oats, a gentle and effective formula to keep your skin smooth and bright. To create an exfoliating mixture, you only need familiar ingredients in your kitchen, including 2 tablespoons of oats, an ingredient that helps soothe and nourish the skin, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Tiny sugar grains help remove dead skin cells without damaging the skin. 1 tablespoon of honey, both antibacterial and deeply moisturizing. 1 tablespoon of fresh milk or water makes the mixture easier to apply to the skin. Step 2. How to make the mixture. First, grind the oats to create a smoother texture. Then, mix the oats with brown sugar. Add honey and fresh milk to create a thick mixture. In less than 5 minutes, you will have a natural exfoliant that does not contain harmful chemicals, but is rich in nutrients for the skin. Step 3. Exfoliate. After preparing, wet your face with warm water to open up the pores, helping to absorb nutrients better. Gently apply the mixture to the skin, using your fingertips to massage in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Feel each small sugar grain penetrate the skin, gently removing stubborn dead skin cells. The gentle oatmeal will help soften the skin, while honey and fresh milk provide the necessary moisture, preventing dry skin. After massaging, leave the mixture on the skin for about 5 minutes as a nourishing mask. This is when the skin absorbs the best from nature. Finally, rinse with warm water, then rinse with cold water to tighten pores. Immediately after exfoliating, you'll feel your skin become softer and smoother. The dead skin cells are removed, returning the skin to its brightness and vitality. 2. Papaya mask. With ingredients rich in papain enzymes that help gently remove dead skin cells, papaya not only cleanses the skin, but also provides moisture and nutrients, making the skin softer and brighter. Let's explore how to make a papaya exfoliating mask. A simple but extremely effective method. To make a papaya exfoliating mask, you need 1 cup of ripe papaya mashed, contains papain enzymes that help gently exfoliate. 1 tablespoon of honey, helps moisturize and antibacterial for the skin. 1 tablespoon of unsweetened yogurt, provides lactic acid to help brighten the skin and support deep cleansing. All ingredients are easy to find, natural and safe, suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Step 2. Mash the ripe papaya until you get a smooth mixture. Then, mix the papaya with honey and unsweetened yogurt. This mixture not only helps remove dead skin cells, but also provides moisture and nutrients, making the skin more radiant after each use. In just a few minutes, you have a natural exfoliating mask, free of harmful chemicals, but extremely effective. Gently massage in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes to let the papain enzyme in papaya take effect, gently removing dead skin cells without damaging the skin. Feel each drop of honey penetrate the skin, providing necessary moisture, while the yogurt helps brighten and soothe the skin. 3. Saffron and milk mask. The combination of saffron and milk brings wonderful benefits. It helps remove dead cells, provides moisture, brightens the skin, and prevents aging. This is a favorite beauty secret since ancient times, helping queens and princesses maintain radiant and youthful skin. Try it today and let your skin feel the gentle love from nature. To create a saffron and milk exfoliating mask, you will need 5 saffron threads. Rich in antioxidants, helps brighten the skin and prevent aging. 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. Contains lactic acid to gently exfoliate and moisturize. 1 tablespoon of oatmeal. Helps enhance the ability to clean the skin. Next, drop the saffron threads into the fresh milk and let it sit for about 5 minutes until the milk gradually turns golden yellow. This is when the precious essences from saffron begin to dissolve into the milk. If you want to increase the exfoliating effect, you can add a little oatmeal to thicken the mixture. So we have created a moisturizing mask like the Queen's. Next, gently apply the mixture to the skin, combining with a circular massage for 2 to 3 minutes. When enough time has passed, wash your face with warm water, then rinse with cold water to tighten pores. When you touch your skin, you will see a clear difference. The skin becomes softer, brighter, and more vibrant. If applied 1 to 2 times a week, this method will help you maintain healthy skin, reduce dullness, dryness, and help the skin absorb nutrients from the cream better. 4. Tomato mask. With the wonderful benefits that tomatoes bring, this method deserves to become an indispensable part of your weekly skincare routine. Tomato juice, a natural ingredient rich in vitamins and minerals, helps to clean, nourish the skin, and bring a radiant glow. To have a perfect exfoliating mixture, you need to prepare 1 ripe tomato. Contains lycopene, vitamins A, C to help fight oxidation, brighten the skin. 1 spoon of brown sugar. Helps to gently exfoliate. 1 spoon of honey. Helps to moisturize and antibacterial the skin. Next step, we need to squeeze 1 tomato to get the juice, then put it in a small bowl. Add a little brown sugar and honey. Stir well until the sugar dissolves, creating a slightly thick mixture. This is the perfect formula to help remove dead skin cells while still retaining the necessary moisture for the skin, without causing irritation or dryness. Before applying the mixture, wash your face with warm water to open pores, helping to absorb nutrients better. This mixture is easy to make, right? But it is very effective and safe. Be patient and apply evenly 1 to 2 times a week to help your skin become brighter, healthier, more supple, and smoother. 5. Coffee mask. Coffee contains many antioxidants, helping the skin to be radiant and even-toned. With the perfect combination of coffee and skincare ingredients, this method helps to remove dead skin cells, brighten the skin, and bring a smooth, youthful look. Let's discover how to exfoliate with coffee so that the skin is purified, brighter, and more radiant every day. For a perfect exfoliating mixture, you need 2 teaspoons of coffee grounds. Helps to deeply clean, gently remove dead skin cells. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or olive oil. Helps to moisturize, soften the skin. 1 teaspoon of honey has antibacterial effects, helps keep the skin youthful. 1 tablespoon of unsweetened fresh milk, optional, brightens the skin, provides natural moisture. Step 2. Make the exfoliating mixture. Put the coffee grounds in a small bowl, then add coconut oil, honey, and fresh milk. Mix well until the mixture becomes smooth, not too thick or too thin. Right from the moment you stir the mixture, you will feel the characteristic aroma of coffee spreading, bringing a relaxing, pleasant feeling. Before applying the mixture to your face, Wash your skin with warm water to open the pores, helping to absorb nutrients better. Use your hands or a brush to apply the mixture evenly on the skin, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Gently massage in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes, focusing on areas with many dead cells such as the forehead, nose, and chin. Now you can feel each small coffee grain rolling gently on the skin, removing old horny layers, dirt, and excess oil, leaving a clean, fresh skin. Coconut oil will help prevent dry skin, while honey and fresh milk penetrate deeply, nourishing the skin from within. After massaging, leave the mask on the skin for about 5 to 10 minutes for the nutrients to fully exert their effects. This is also the time for you to relax and enjoy the pleasant feeling that coffee brings. With this method, you should do it 1 to 2 times a week. You will see your skin become healthier, smoother, and less dull. Thank you everyone for watching until the end of the video. Hope today's sharing will be useful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.